In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discount a product on Gumroad. If you're looking to boost your sales by offering your customers an irresistible deal, you've come to the right place. I'll guide you step by step through the process of setting up a discount, ensuring you can implement it smoothly and effectively. Let's begin by heading over to gumroad.com. Once you are on the Gumroad homepage, you'll need to access your account to start creating those enticing discounts. So, locate and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page. Here, you have multiple options to log in, but for simplicity, let's use Google. So, click on Google and select your account to proceed. This single sign-on process not only saves time, but also keeps your login details secure and easy to manage. Now that you're logged into your Gumroad dashboard, the next step is heading over to the checkout section. You can find it right there on your dashboard menu. Clicking this will open up a new page dedicated to all your checkout and discount settings. It's here where you can start crafting those exclusive discount offers that can drive more sales. Once you're on the checkout page, search for the new discount button. Click on it and a new form will appear, allowing you to fill in the details of your discount offer. You'll start by typing in a name for your discount. It's important to choose something memorable yet descriptive, especially if you plan on running multiple promotions at once. This will help you stay organized and easily track performance later on. With the name in place, you can move on to create your discount code. If the auto-generated version doesn't suit your campaign's tone or isn't catchy enough, you have the flexibility to edit it. Just click within the text box and type in your preferred series of characters. Remember, a good discount code is short, easy to remember, and preferably relevant to the product it applies to. Now it's time to decide which product the discount applies to. Click on the products section within the discount creation form. Here you can choose a specific product or even apply the discount to all your products depending on your strategy. This flexibility allows you to tailor discounts to meet various marketing objectives, whether you're clearing old stock or promoting a new launch. Next, specify the percentage of the discount you'd like to offer. Type it into the appropriate field. Whether it's a modest 10% or a jaw-dropping 50%, make sure the percentage aligns with your business goals and leaves you with a healthy margin. Finally, once you've double-checked all the details, click on Add Discount to finalize and activate the deal. And that's it, you've successfully set up a discount on Gumroad. Remember, strategic discounts can enhance customer loyalty and increase revenue, so use this powerful tool wisely. Thanks for watching.